Hi, Dragofab here. Today we continue looking at slicers. This one is preview as well. So we go to settings and preview features, and we need to enable list slicer. Today we're looking at list slicer. And here how it looks like. So we have this quite big slicer. But what I like about it, it's nested slicer. So it automatically understands relationship. So we have states and cities associated with this, which is really interesting and have a lot of different applications. But the biggest downfall for me for this slicer is that it takes a lot of space. So for example, if we go to the normal slicer and we have a drop down, which I usually use. So we have a drop down and the slicer takes really small amount of space. Here we have a lot of different settings like select all, we can remove single select and a lot of different other settings, but there's nothing you can do about the size of it. You can't really make it that small. There's nothing like drop down for it. What I usually do is creating a slicer of like hidden state. So we create a button and we create a bookmarks. And we can use this to open slicer, choose what we want, and then hide it and see the results. The most important part of it is remove data from your bookmark. So it will keep the slicer selection. So if we get data back, then when I change the slicer, it's getting to the it's not working when you hide it on the other bookmark. So we need to disable data, and then when we choose anything, it still keeps the chosen state whenever we open it or close it. And this list slicer has a lot of settings. As you can see, we can create different shapes. So there is like customizable shape, which I have here. Or there are different like sizes of corners you have. Rectangle, rounded corners, and you can have different layouts, spaces in between buttons. You can get them a bit higher. You can change how indented it is. You can remove indentation, or you can make it really, really big. So it's up to you. And there is, as usual, different settings about values, and there is a lot of settings about different states if you go to advanced values. And the same we have with buttons. So it's just normal states, or there is advanced when we have a lot of different settings that you can play around with. And also you can change the size and color of this icon. You can change it depending on the role on the level. So for this one, they're green. Here are like different colors. You can have a lot of different customizations and images and layouts. So it's quite versatile and interesting slicer. Thank you.